Mantombazana News. This is the live update. Yarina rilika Musina. N1 Road litakushisha magage shuri. We are bringing you the live update from the Bad Bridge Road or the N1 Road, which is passing by outside Musina town. This is a live update. Yarina yalichachi. We've been talking to the drivers of this truck that you see on your screen. You'll understand that these trucks have been in this road for almost maybe 5 to 6 days. They've been here on this N1 road. These drivers, they are patient a lot because they've been spending more than 10 to 20 days on this road. You will understand very well that where they are now, they are just 12 kilometers away from the Bad Bridge. You will see Musina community. It's not far away from where we are now, here at Musina town. But if you go on with this national road, you will even arrive at the Bad Bridge, which is the port of entry going to Zimbabwe and other countries which are near Zimbabwe. But where we are now, this is the live update coming to you. On your screen, it's the trucks which are here in Musina. These trucks have been here for almost 5 to 6 days, and they are still going to spend more days on this national road which we are finding ourselves in. This national road is not far away from Musina. Just near this national road, we find the China Mall. This is the China Mall where we find most of the Chinas who are selling on this mall. There where you see some trucks, it's another truck park which is not far away from where we are now. But we can assure you that this is Mantombazana News broadcasting live from the national road from Pulukwani as well as Makado, going towards the Bad Bridge or passing through Musina. We like to thank Mantombazana News for bringing you the live update from Musina. These are the live update coming to you from Musina National Road. We thank you.